Today I will be solving problem 1 of page 500 of chapter 16 about waves and sound. The problem reads, light is an electromagnetic wave and travels at a speed of 3.00 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. The human eye is most sensitive to yellow-green light, which has a wavelength of 5.45 times 10 to the negative 7th meters. What is the frequency of this light? So the problem first tells us that light speed is 3.00 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. We can also call that its velocity. So we'll say the velocity equals the 3.00 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. And that is simply just telling us how fast light is moving. The next part tells us about yellow-green light, which has a wavelength of 5.45 times 10 to the negative 7th meters. So what it's saying is that when you look at a wave, like this one here, the wavelength is going to be this green portion. And the symbol for wavelength is a lambda, which kind of looks like an upside down Y. And so that's our 5.45 times 10 to the negative 7th meters. Finally, the question is, what is the frequency of light? And frequency is the symbol F, and it's going to be measured in hertz. So we want to find out how many hertz. One equation that relates all three of these variables is velocity equals frequency times the wavelength. And from here, it's just simply plugging and chugging into the equation. So velocity equaling 3.00 times 10 to the 8th is going to equal the frequency times the wavelength of 5.45 times 10 to the negative 7th. We'll divide out our 5.45 times 10 to the negative 7th. And then you should get, this should give you a frequency of 5.50 times 10 to the 14th hertz. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.